Hi, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Oracle database and SQL developer in Windows 10 operating system. So let's start. Open the Chrome browser and type Oracle download. Then click on first link. Then based upon your operating system, select the zip file. In my case, I am selecting 64-bit operating system. So click on zip. Then here you have to create Oracle account if you don't have. In my case, I have already account, so I am logging with my user ID and password. In your case, if you are doing first time, then click on create account, fill all the information and then sign in here. So let me pass username and password. Click on sign in. Click on save. Now here you can see downloading is started. Now I need to download SQL developer. For that, type developer download. Click on first link. Then again, based on your operating system, select the zip file. So I am again selecting 64-bit. Click on download. Click on save. Now downloading is started. Now here you can see both the file is downloaded. So let me extract these files. So let me first extract Windows file, which is nothing but our Oracle file. So click on extract. So based upon your operating system, it will take few minutes. Okay, now it's done. Let's extract SQL developer. It will also take few minutes. Yeah, it's completed. Now go to the Windows file, which is nothing but our Oracle file. Inside the Oracle file, we have one file setup. Double click on that file. Now wizard is started. So our Oracle is getting loaded. Then click on next. If you want to change any option you can change, otherwise click on next. Then again click on next. Go with the default settings. Here if you are doing first time, then create you can select. I am also going to select the create new. Here you need to pass user ID and password. You can give any user ID or password, whatever you want. So let me enter username and password. Then confirm password. Next. Oh, I have already used this username previously, so click on OK and let me try with another username. Then click on next. It's loading. Now you can see your file location where it's going to be installed. If you want, you can change this location by clicking on browser, and here we need to pass our password and we need to confirm the password. So we need to pass the same password which we have passed in previous page. So I'm going to enter the same password, and again I'm going to confirm the same password. Then click on next. Then click on yes. Now it's loading. It will take few minutes. Now click on next. Yeah, this is the last stage. It will take near about 10 to 15 minutes, so be patient. And yeah. Now go to our SQL file and just right click on a SQL developer and create shortcut. And copy and paste over the desktop. Now double click on SQL developer. Yeah, now it's getting started. It will take few minutes to load entire Oracle SQL developer. Once it's load, we can start our writing query. So wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's done. Now open the command prompt and type SQL plus / no log. SQL plus / no log. Enter. Then type con / as sysdba. Con / as sysdba. Then click enter. Then alter user system identified by Tiger. So here we are altering our DB user. Then con system, enter. Then enter the password. Here our password will be Tiger. So type Tiger, then enter. Now open the SQL developer and click on plus icon, which is nothing but with the help of that icon we can connect our DB. So at left side there is a one icon plus green in green color. So pass user ID and password here and select the role as a default and click on test. Now status is success, connect. So here successfully we have configured our SQL developer. Now here we can start our query. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.